X and what that meant.
About Oromo protest. First, Oromo protest in 9 months, 1,000 people, more than 1,000 people died. So another charge to prison. So very dangerous situation in Oromo people now in Ethiopia.
And your family is in, some of your family is in jail?
Yeah, my family, my mother and my father, brother and sister not arrested. Another people in prison, charged.
And you
dangerous. You can't move in Ethiopia. You can't move. You can't talk another about political. But nothing. Only you have to write, support government.
But you were saying at the press conference, you know, by speaking out, they could. You were worried they may kill you or detain you, but you decided to do it anyway. Can you talk about that?
Which one?
You're worried about being detained, or you said you could get killed for doing the protest when you go back. Are you worried? Can you talk about your fears?
No, I go there. I go there. I don't. If I go to Ethiopia, automatically they kill me.
The what?
They kill me.
They will kill you.
Yeah. If not kill me, they charge.
So you can never go back?
After that, if not charge, no. After that, another country. They block in airport. When you're in immigration, you cannot move to another country. So I wanted to try to another country.
Where will you go now?
Maybe I have not another. Now I have not. I haven't another visa. Maybe I process. I stay here.
And did you talk with your
After
manager or anyone before this?
Maybe if I visa, I can get visa. I can move to America.
Yeah. Did your manager or
I have manager.
did Federico or anyone know about this beforehand?
Federico.
Did he know you were going to do this protest?
I don't know. I don't know. Living in Italy.
Yeah.
I'm living in Ethiopia.
Did anyone on your team know? Did you talk about it with anyone beforehand?
With Federico?
Or the Ethiopia team?
No, how you can talk? You cannot talk there. You think inside, in mind. After that, if you talk, you know tomorrow. They kill you.
Did you talk with your family beforehand? Because they could be in trouble back there, right?
Yeah. If I win, I say like that. I told you for my wife.
She's back there?
No, she's in Ethiopia. I have 2 children.
In Ethiopia?
In Ethiopia.
Do you think they need to leave now? Because do you think the government would arrest them?
I don't know. Maybe they arrested at this time.
But she knew, she supported you.
Which support?
Your wife said to go ahead and do it. You need to speak out. You need to protest.
Yeah. No, she not need. She not need.
Do you
Are you going to do
She
anything
not need.
tonight?
She is dummy. So if I stay here, no, don't say like that. Not good. But I can't. When I can, I very feel. I very feel about the people.
do you worry they might be in more danger now, though, because of what you did today? Do you think that your family will be in more danger because you spoke out today?
Danger. I think when I go the apartment, maybe I call. I ask them.
Yeah.
Very and now they're living in Addis Ababa. They're very dangerous. Even when somebody knocking at your door, you suspect who come, soldier or other people. Yeah, like.
Feyisa, do you think you might? Have you thought about the medal ceremony?
Sorry.
Have you
Tonight,
thought about your medal ceremony?
when you get the medal
Yeah,
tonight,
yeah.
Yeah.
you're going to protest again?
Yeah.
Because that will be
Yeah.
big.
Thank you.
Yeah, you have a big everyone, because there'll be way more media at the medal ceremony. Because this wasn't filmed, nobody saw this. But, I mean, they saw you during the race, but I think at the time no one knew. But now at the medal ceremony,
People will understand more.
No.
like at closing ceremonies, you get your medal, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You have to go on
Yeah.
the podium.
Yeah.
How did
Do you have a
Have
flight?
you always been this brave?
Sorry.
Have you always been a very brave person to speak out like this? A lot of people are afraid.
I don't know, your English is very strong.
Are you? Have you
not-
always been brave?
Brave.
It was very
Courage.
courageous.
You're not scared. Well, why are you not scared?
It takes a lot of heart.
Were you?
Have you always been like that?
Like, yes, like that, like this.
Always.
But in a-
Yeah.
Always been very outspoken.
Strong.
Yeah.
Do you have a flight anywhere? Are you staying here in Brazil, or do you have a
After I
flight?
get visa, if I visa success for me, I go. So then I work training. If
you could-
if the Kenyan government promise for me, if not give pass for Ethiopia government, I work in Kenya. They are very friendly. If I
Where?
go Kenya,
In Kenya. Or you tried America, you said.
America is good.
Thank you.
Thank you.